Okay, just a quick little explanation on how the sand filter works. When your filter is on normal filtration mode, you basically got your water coming in from the side of the pump, coming through here into the filter, and when it comes in through the filter, your water comes in through the top, goes through the sand media, where obviously the sand media does the cleaning, and then after that the water then goes back to your swimming pool. When you backwash, you're introducing the water at the bottom of the filter to come and raise and agitate the sand to get rid of all the dirt that you've collected in there, and then that dirty water then gets dumped out through your backwash pipe. That's why your sight glass gets dirty. Then when it goes through rinse, you're basically introducing the water through the top of the filter, settling the sand again, and then all the excess dirt and dust that is still there, instead of putting it back in the pool, you're actually dumping it through the backwash. That's why your rinse takes, give or take, 30 seconds. And then when you turn the filter back onto filter, your water's still coming in through the top, going through the sand again, but then that water goes back to your swimming pool.